Hi, and welcome to another installment of Making Maths Manageable. I'm Mr. Sargent.
And I'm Little Timmy.
Today, we're going to learn how to compare proper fractions to work out which is larger and which is smaller.
I know how to do that, Mr. Sargent.
You find the lowest common multiple of... Whoa! Hold your horses, Timothy. What if I told you there's an easier way? Introducing benchmarking. Benchmarking is when we compare our two fractions to another fraction that is easier to manage, like 0, a half, or 1.
That doesn't sound easy at all, Mr. Sargent.
Well, Timothy, let's look at an example. All right, Timothy, if I offered you 5/8 of a chocolate bar or 9/20 of a chocolate bar, which would you choose?
Obviously 9/20. That means I get 9 bits of chocolate instead of 5. Who would pick 5 bits?
Well, actually, Timothy, you'd be better off picking the 5/8 of a chocolate bar. Let's compare our fractions to the benchmark of 1/2. If you get 9/20 of a chocolate bar, you would get less than half the chocolate bar because half of 20 is 10. That's right. But you only get 9/20, not 10. But if you got 5/8 of the chocolate bar, you would get more than half because half of 8 parts is
4 parts, and I get 5. I changed my answer.
Good idea, Timmy.
So how'd you find that, Timothy?
That was pretty easy. Everything makes sense with chocolate.
Well, that's good to hear. If you'd like, I could tell you about another trick called residual thinking.
Residual what?
Residual thinking, Timothy. Residual thinking is when we work out the residual of each fraction, or how much we need to add to each fraction to make up one whole. The fraction we need to add the least to must be the bigger fraction because it's the closest to a whole.
You're freaking me out, Mr. Sargent. Can we have another chocolate example?
How about chocolate milk?
That'll do.
All right, if I've got 7/8 of a cup of chocolate milk and I've got 8/9 of a cup of strawberry milk, which cup has more milk in it?
They both got the same, don't they? They both need one more part to be full.
Good try, Timmy, but no. Both cups might only need one part to be filled, but those parts are different sizes. Since our chocolate milk is 7/8 full, we need 1/8 more milk to fill it to 8/8, or one whole. But our strawberry milk cup is 8/9 full.
So we only need 1/9 of a cup to fill it up.
Right you are, Timothy. Notice how we need less milk to fill up the strawberry milk than the chocolate milk. This means our 8/9 fraction has a smaller residual amount, making it closer to 1 and therefore a larger fraction. So you'd be better off with the strawberry milk, Timmy.
Well, the strawberry milk might be a bigger fraction, but chocolate milk is still my favourite, so I'm going to stick with that.
Ha ha ha, whatever you say, Timmy.